Hello everyone. Today we are again back with another new and interesting session of Let's Speak with Precision. As always, thanks for the love and the subscriptions that you have been doing. Please keep subscribing and forwarding to your friends. Already lockdown is coming to an end in various parts of the world and I'm sure life is getting back to normal. But please ensure that you dispose your masks and your gloves properly. We should not burden the nature anymore because we know if nature gets angry, what happens? So today what are we going to do? Often English is related with grammar, which is correct because unless and until you have basic command over certain parts of grammar, you really can't speak smoothly. Today we are going to concentrate on something called auxiliary verbs. They are also known as helping verbs. And what do they do? They either make or break your sentences. They are the main identifying points which identify whether you're speaking in present, past or future tense. The word be is actually the main auxiliary verb and it has got different branches as per the tenses. Today we are going to concentrate mainly on three auxiliary verbs: is, are and am. What are these? When do we use this? See, we all know what pronouns are. They are the words used instead of nouns like he, she, it. When we are using singular pronoun or noun, we are going to use is. He is working. She is dancing. It is running. Now when it is plural, we use are. They are working. They are running. Or Sita and Lily are walking. So this is how is and are used. Of course, am has only one usage. It is I am in present tense. So I am shooting. I am talking. So this is how we use. Now this is very basic. We don't make much mistakes. What if we have to use the same in the past? He was walking. She was talking. It was running. Similarly, they were jumping. They were talking, or else we have to also say Joe and John were watching the TV. So this is how was becomes were if it changes from singular to plural. How about future tense? He will walk or he will be walking. She will talk. It will run. So will is what we use. Ideally, I and you, when we use these two pronouns, we use shall. I shall do this. You shall walk. But then, in present colloquial language, we do use will as well. So you can as well say you will or I will. So when I say I will do this, it's perfect. They will do it, it's perfect. So in future tense, we don't have much difference. Now you might be wondering, why did we start with auxiliary verbs? Because these verbs in present tense are very, very important, where we are used to hearing different versions of the verb which actually breaks your sentence. Now one more thing you need to remember, the auxiliary or helping verbs can also act as the main verb. How? This is debatri. When I say that, is used in place of a verb. So the auxiliary turns to a main verb. So you also have such sentences where you have to decide whether the words is, are being used as a main verb or they are being used as an auxiliary. But when they are used as an auxiliary verb, the following verb that accompanies also needs to be in consideration. So today we have given you the basic idea of present tense and simple auxiliary verbs that we are going to use in present tense as well as the past tense, simple verbs. So we will continue our sessions with more auxiliary verbs because could, should, would, then had, did, do. These are all auxiliary verbs. So each and every session now on, first we will cater to the auxiliary verbs. I'm sure you would love this kind of sessions, and please write to me. Let's speak with precision. Thank you.